Here I'm at excuse me, I'm all congested. 1 second. Here I'm at the grilled cheese and quesadilla company. And here the kids and college students, they like to put their grilled cheese fingers all over the windows. So this tool could be limited on certain jobs, but the whole main point is you want to get in and get out quickly, so you don't want to be caught agitating too much. And when you have grilled cheese fingerprints and hamburger fingerprints, pizza fingerprints that's been on there for a month, it's not going to come up so easy. So I'm going to use my aggressive one pass to attack a job like this and keep getting up. It's totally switchable. See, with the one pass tools, you can, depending on what kind of job you have, you can make this tool your one and all tool. I have yet to make an aggressive pad for this big channel, but I am going to do that. Right now, I'm experimenting, but it works fine, man. And I can get the fingerprints off without having to worry about so much re-scrubbing the window, you know? All right, back and fracker, peace, peace, peace.